My friends often converse among ourselves, what is the solution of eradicating harmful and toxic ideologies? And our talks often end in a stalemate, because in the age of social media, there doesn't seem any one way. One such ideology or fetish or whatever is over-sexualization and sexualization of things that aren't supposed to be sexualized. Yes, ये वीडियो एकता कपूर की वेब सीरीज XXX एंड इससे हो रही कंट्रोवर्सी के बारे में है, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस लेटेस्ट इंसिडेंट आई एम गोइंग टू पॉइंट आउट समथिंग दैट आई एम श्योर सबने नोटिस किया होगा, द डिजीज नोन एज ओवर सेक्शुअलाइजेशन. दिस इज द लास्ट कन्फर्मेशन मैसेज फ्रॉम योर बैंक बिफोर यू सेंड 2000 रुपीज़ टू दैट इंस्टाग्राम वाली लड़की जो बदले में अपने नूड्स देगी. दिस इज द एलिक्सिर ऑफ विजडम. First of all, Ekta ji, congratulations on such an originally named web series. For those who are not aware of the issue और जिन्हें बस issue के बारे में जानना है, here is Manpreet condensing stuff down into seconds. Alt Balaji is a production house owned by Ekta Kapoor's production house Balaji Telefilms. Ekta Kapoor herself is a renowned Indian TV serial maker that has made cult serials like Kasauti Zindagi Ki and Kabhi Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. And just like what happened to all Indian directors when the web series culture came into being in India, Ekta Kapoor also launched her own web series production house, Alt Balaji. Alt Balaji recently released season 2 of their 18+ rated web series XXX, in whose episode titled Pyar Aur Plastic, the wife of an Indian army officer has been shown committing adultery with a doctor after her husband leaves for duty. The wife is apparently a S&M fan and asks the doctor to wear his husband's uniform so she can indulge in sexual fetishes she often craved about with her husband. The uniform not only has the Ashok Stamp emblem but also a colonel tag. She is not only shown to rip that uniform apart but also portray the guy wearing the uniform as a slave and spanks the guy in the uniform. Seeing this, many concerned individuals raised their voice, particularly Hindustani Bhau aka Vikas Pathak. He lodged an official FIR against both Ekta Kapoor and her production house, but his case was recently dismissed by the Hyderabad Cybercrime Division on the basis of no evidence. I guess समझ में. Firstly, I'm not exactly surprised that the case got dismissed because I'm sure the well-paid legal department at Alt Balaji and Balaji Telefilms is quite aware of how to deal with such issues if they aim to host such kind of racy content. But my question is not regarding the legality of the issue as much as it is about the decency. Secondly, Ekta ma'am, do you know anything about the family members of an army officer? These are not lust-hungry women that pimp themselves out to anyone they see. These are the mothers, sisters and daughters of men who are assigned on a life-threatening job for the safeguard of our nation with meager salaries. With their talents, these men could have easily gotten a reputable 9-to-5 job in a company so they can find time to satisfy their wives in the evening. These women could have easily married someone who is home by the evening so they can have intercourse with them. But they choose the men in Indian Army because these women have their hearts casted out of steel themselves. They do not place intercourse above everything else like most people do, but they place their service above these things. They place their livelihood and they place their commitment towards an ideal above everything else. Whenever these women are mentioned, normal people don't think of a lusty nymphomaniac that you portray. We see strong-willed women ready to sacrifice their sons, brothers and husbands for their nation. And until recently, they are stepping up themselves so they can fight alongside their men toe to toe. Taboo or prohibition. Things that are forbidden in our society often is the heroine and the meth of sexual fantasies after someone is desensitized to the normal sex. Therefore, people who are desensitized often fantasize about incestuous relations and in this case, sex with a slave dressed in army uniform. That is why sexual websites are full of explicit content like S&M, interracial pornography and public humiliation etc. But यार public humiliation इतना पसंद है तो TikTok का बन जाओ ना. नहीं यार, ये वाला भी यूज़ नहीं कर सकते ना, क्योंकि इसने अपनी वीडियो में इतना चला दिया है इसे कि इससे हम डिसेंसिटाइज हो गए हैं. I mean seriously, this guy single-handedly ruined one of the best meme materials. Let's just take a moment to imagine how hard that is. Anyway, it is this desensitization of sex that leads to men searching explicit content like that. And yes, I mean especially men, because लड़कों को ज़्यादा चरस चढ़ी है इसकी. Consequently, a weird demand is created, a demand of taboo sexual content that due to capitalism, someone has to provide. That is where these guys come in. Ever since the advent of web series and the creative freedom it provides, makers are now essentially producing what is porn. And as the demand continues, the content becomes more and more bold. And before you know it, bam, you are over-sexualized. Your dick stays limp all the time, you stay limp all the time. And for what? Just occasional and momentary satisfaction through masturbation. Let's take Mirzapur for example, where incest and adultery is shown as a common phenomenon, and many more such web series content is already available that takes incest, polygamy and adultery like it's a common thing. And not to mention that such content is easily accessible nowadays. So much कि आपका 9 साल का गोलू भी आपको चरित्रहीन के स्पॉयलर्स दे देगा. I have previously written and spoken about artists and their responsibility and their freedom, but in that I didn't mention anything about the limits, जो responsibility से भी ज़्यादा important है. The debates are never about absolute freedom or censorship. They are always about which should be more, because even they know that some things must be allowed to express, while some things, if expressed, will surely hurt someone deeply. Maybe it's time we ask ourselves, what is it that we want for our next generation? What is it that we want our defense forces and its uniform to represent? A symbol of valor, dignity, pride and sacrifice, or just another sexual fetish? But Manpreet, ऐसे content की reach कहाँ है इतनी भाई? Yeah, in serials की reach इतनी नहीं है, but provoking scenes like this have far too much reach, and you have to trust me on this. And therefore we should not only condemn this, but boycott this also. In the end, I vote on behalf of all such people who respect our armed forces, the dedicated armed forces themselves and their families. I would like to tell you this, Ekta ji, that for your fetishes and for your virtue signaling, Indian Army is a frontier that is off limits.